alpha decay exists in any of the systematic process, especially for those signal generation that are time sensitive or driven by market microstructure. For us, the critical part is not just the raw latency, but actually how to minimize the workflow latency. What that really means is there's a lot more hubs. For example, operations, compliance checks, risk, as well as the trading production deployment. All of these, essentially, you need to double check, making sure to do the right thing. So this process is probably relatively simple if you have one investor. When it comes to hundreds of people who are trying to buy and sell the same events or same instrument at the same time, this becoming a bigger problem. You also need to start worrying about the market regime shift. These are the things that actually can add up a lot more, introducing the workflow latency. For us, I think we've been spending a lot of time investing and try to shorten that period so that's able to preserve the most of the alpha. And that's where the edge came from and how much we trust the KDB to help us with it. Alpha decay itself is basically causing all driven by so many of these components. Any of these things requires second thoughts, manual intervention, double check. What I find out that for us, KX provides a very unique solution because it gives us a uniform data structure, which you're able to do that for real time as well as for historical. So now it becomes a lot easier for us because we can have the quant researcher to looking at the historical and the trader and the engineer look at the real time and they look at exactly the same structure. That's the beauty here for us so that we're able to form these ideas and put that into the trading strategy and for the deployment within days, which previously will only required to have to take a lot more effort and it can only happen within weeks, if not months. That's what we find out this unique solution will be. We're continuously investing in this part, but the goal for here is obvious to making sure we're able to get in the alpha capture to the effort and to be able to capture all of them. It's very difficult for speed to eliminating these decays. But if you're having an adaptive system, you can.